Hi everyone, I'm back. This one's going to be a little different. I'm going to do a flip cup. I'm going to spread some background color, pull the cup, and we'll see what happens. So first off, I am going to start with a little color. And this time I did add the silicone. So we're going to give it a lot of color. And I'm going to swirl the cup in a bit. There we go. And some pretty green right through it. And a little bit more of the white because I think that'll give it some extra cells. So what I'm going to do is just put the canvas on there, turn it around. Oops, a little bit of contamination here, which I do have to take off. So just take it off a little bit. You know, doesn't matter if the canvas is a little colored, but there can't be too much of that on there because it'll seep through the white. So we don't want that to happen. Then I'm going to pour around it. There we go. Make sure you have enough paint. And, oh, I forgot to swirl it a little bit, but we'll see what happens. So I'm going to release it really slowly on both sides. There we go. Doing it very carefully. Turning it. And right now, out of the box, I really don't like the middle part. I'm pretty sure this is going to seal up, but I don't like the middle part. So what I'm going to do is come in here and swipe it a little bit. Just make it a little bit more of a, didn't like that either. So we're going to be pouring it all over the place. Now I'm going to torch it. Here come the beautiful cells. Oh, got a drip in there. Okay, can't help it. Now that's some serious cell action. And I'm going to let it come down a bit. And down this way a little bit so that we keep that little bit of green that we have up there. And this way, look at that. Look at those beautiful cells. Wow, that is pretty. I really have to clean my hands before I get drips on it, but this one is stunning. This one is really beautiful. I'm not gonna do anything else to it. What I like about it is down here, these very thin spidery webby veins. I like the motion that's coming up here with the greens popping through. That is beautiful. I have all my sides covered in cells. There is maybe just a little bit on the corners. Yeah, that's it. Wow, even the sides are beautiful. Let me do the sides just a little bit more. And a little for those little air bubbles. Oops, air bubble there. Wow, this turned out beautifully. Now, guys, what I was thinking about was this is going to be for the giveaway this month. So the ones I'm pouring today, that was the first one with a little swipe. And now this one, these are going to be for the giveaway. So if you want a chance to win this little beauty, look under the video. There's the link to my sponsored channel thing. and I hope you win this beautiful painting. This is a stunner. I really love it. I think I might even try to do that one again. That's how beautiful I think it is. That is stunning. Okay, now yesterday I did a little shout out, and I saw a couple of people go over there. But the thing is, guys, you know how I like to support beginning artists, and the thing is that this is it. So one more shout out from Michaela Studio 13. I think she's German, I'm not sure. But she uses these beautiful, beautiful colors. And if you go to her channel front page, you click on the videos, you'll see all the videos. She has some really awesome colors that she's using. And that's what inspired me yesterday with the background, you know, that purplish background thing. And so she has a lot of stuff on there that is really beautiful, and I'm sure you would enjoy watching some of her videos. I know it's hard to start up a YouTube channel from scratch, so I would really appreciate it if you pop over there and give her a little support. That'd be really, you know, I really don't know her. It's just that someone sent me the link to her YouTube channel. I checked it out and I thought, hey, why not? Because, you know, people starting out, they need a little support. YouTube has, let me put this away. YouTube has pretty much sharpened up how they go about, you know, getting a channel for the monetization, I think they call it. So they make it really difficult for beginning artists nowadays. So that'd be nice for her to have some support. Now, I'm gonna make this into a little swipey. And I still have my, oh yeah, I still have the collage I promised you guys. I still have that, which I really should be doing because I have everything ready for it. Now, people having trouble with swipes, I can explain it a little bit. Let me just torch this thing. See that? Wow. That's some serious selling. Look at that. Let me get you in a little bit in focus. There you go. See that? That is pretty. Can do so many things with this. And it's really all about, you know, just using this drip off on the table. You can always throw stuff out, but I think, you know, why not just use it to make some really nice papers for jewelry. And I had a couple of people ask me, why don't you just cut them out on your machine? Because, you know, I have that Brother scan and cut thing, and just sell them on your Etsy shop. And I just might do that, guys. So what I do is just put some paint. I put some white up here. You have a clean palette knife, well, as good as clean. And what you do is just very gently sort of go over the white and spread it over your colors. Now, the thinner the white is, the more cell action you'll get. And if it's too thick, you won't get cells because the bottom color won't be able to pass through the thicker white. And you can see that pretty much happening here, but this one matches the other one. See all those beautiful sea colored cells? That's kind of nice, right? Yeah. And I just want to make one more so that I have enough, if I want to do an A4 collage, that I'd have enough to do that. So piling on the paint. A little bit of dark. And again, this is why you really need a palette knife to do that nicely, you know, scoop it up. Makes it really easy to do. Then a little bit of white on the top here, as you can see. Then make sure you have a nice and clean palette knife. The bottom has to be clean. And then you just swipe over it like that. And I'm gonna do it a little quicker now, because the quicker you do it, the more, I don't know, it just does something to the paint that it's easier to create those cells. Okay, there it is. That's number 3. So we can punch out enough of stuff to... I'm looking for a C-star punch. If anyone knows about a C-star punch, I'd like to know about it, where I can buy one, because I was thinking about C-stars. I think they are such beautiful creatures. So that is it. Now the rest that's on here is minimal. That's really a little bit of paint, not too much. So I'll scoop that up in my little cup. It's not that too bad. There's a little, I don't know what that is. Oh, that was from the first pour, I guess. So I'll just scoop this up, and I will be right back with you guys to do the last of the series. And this time I'm gonna use my syringe. Yes, I have it ready right here, nice and clean. Well, clean, not that clean, but as clean as it got. And I'm going to do a white background, so I'll need to mix up a little bit more of the white paint. As you can see, not enough in there. So I'll mix up some more white, then I'm going to fill the syringe with those beautiful colors, and I'm going to syringe right over my canvas. So be right back, and as usual, love you all to pieces. See you in a bit.